This year, we traveled the miles, worked the heights, grew our team, and moved to a bigger space, all while building protection where it matters most. We shared the views, the sunrises, the sunsets, and the small moments that kept us going. We learned about our customers' issues so we could help solve your problems, and most importantly, we kept your workers safe. Edge Fall Protection. We protect your people.